Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Nando's cookbook. Today's recipe is tasty and cool banana lassi. Let's get started. Take 3 ripen bananas, chop it and add it into mixer jar. Add 1 cup of chilled curd, 1/4 cup of sugar or as needed. Close the lid and blend. Serve it into glass. Add ice cubes if required and garnish it with Boost or Bonvita and finely chopped cashews and red cherries. Try out this delightful lassi recipe and enjoy the summer. So friends, hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nando's cookbook for more delicious recipes.